hydrogen train, there are only 4 countries in the world which have been able to develop a hydrogen train. And most of the countries have developed trains with the capacity of about 500, 600 horsepower. We in India decided to take that as a challenge, and we have developed successfully, using our own engineers, using our own talent, a hydrogen train which is 1,200 horsepower. At this point of time, the highest capacity hydrogen train, the power train which has been developed for 1,200 horsepower, that power train can tomorrow be used in large trucks, that can be used in large construction equipment. That same power train can be used in boats, tugboats, pilot boats. So the spin-off effects of developing a technology indigenously, that is huge.